distinguished guests.
Prison letter he wrote to the Christian and Philippine.
God is good. God is good, boss.
Invited guests of the forest sector industries, representatives of our national academic institution, heads of government department, representatives of the land owning units, former students of the training school, parents, students, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to you all. It is indeed a pleasure to be here today to honor the hard work and sacrifice that the 22 graduating students have shown over the past 2 years and who have successfully completed the 2 years advanced certificate in forest management. This is an important occasion for all of us and the forest sector development in Fiji as a whole. Very briefly, ladies and gentlemen, forestry training began in 1969 at the Lololo Forestry Training Center in Lautoka, as the forest sector was concentrating on the establishment of our pine plantation and required graduating foresters to be employed in the pine afforestation programs. However, the needs of the sector for more skilled staff and the development of our hardwood mahogany plantation in 1999, with the aid from the European Union, led to the establishment of the Doloisuba Forestry Training Center and the revival of this 2-year forest technician academic training to provide foresters with the knowledge and skills so that they can be employed in the whole of the forest sector industries. To date, the Forestry Training Center has awarded a total of 273 graduates with forest technician certificates. In the past, graduates were not only from Fiji, but also from other Pacific Island countries, and there are high hopes that we can soon open up registration to our Pacific Island neighbors in need of this training. Ladies and gentlemen, graduation is a time of celebration and triumph and marks the end of one phase and beginning of the next phase. The graduates of this 2-year advanced certificate in forest management program who are here today were school leavers, recruited and trained throughout these 2 years to establish a career in the forest sector. These graduates can enter the industry at forest guard level and also have the opportunity to advance their education to the diploma or degree in forest management program offered by the Fiji National University, or they could pursue undergraduate and postgraduate studies in the field of forestry in overseas institutions through scholarship. To the graduating students, this is your day, and I congratulate you on your achievement. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you all to put your hands together to applaud the success of the graduates. Graduates, you are the lucky ones, and you are the hope of the forest sector. Many of you will become leaders in the future. And I'm confident that all of you will make very worthwhile contributions to your families, the ministry, the forest sector, and the nation. Let me take this opportunity to remind you graduates that you must continue to learn and develop yourselves. Receiving your certificates today does not signal an end, but rather the beginning of a long journey. Always remember that it is what you do and how you do it after graduation that will determine your success in life. As you walk across the stage and receive your award, you start at the end as a student and leave this end as a fully certified forest technician. I invite you to continue your interest in your careers, actively participate in forestry training center activities, and stay connected as we all join hands to contribute to the development of the forest sector. Make us your parents, guardians, and teachers proud by being hardworking, innovative, and committed. Be ethical in your future work, lead a life of meaning and impact, and be willing to make a difference. Remember, it is not enough to simply try and get by in life. That does not move the world forward. You must strive to excel in everything you do. Excellence in every task, large or small. Your academic journey is not over yet, and you must be clear on the end results and how you wish to get there. You will face many challenges, but this is what the real world is all about. And the next phase in your life is a great training ground for your future success. I wish to express my appreciation for the support of the parents and guardians who are here today as we witness the graduation of your children. The Ministry of Economy for the financial allocation necessary to operate the training center. Fiji National University and University of the South Pacific for providing specialized training through provision of teaching staff for some specialized units. The landowning units where the school is constructed. Specialized lecturers from the forest sector industries and NGOs who have been servicing the program. Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Forest, Acting Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Forest, Conservator of Forest, and training staff of the Forestry Training Center. Ladies and gentlemen, a final word to the graduates. Congratulations. And I wish you all the very best in the future. And thank you.
Demonstrates a deep concern about ladies and gentlemen, you witnessed